Hello students, Jai Hind and very good evening to all of you. Today we had economics paper of class 12 commerce. Question paper what I analyze, I study, that was good. Some questions were some deep questions, some confusing questions were also over there. Students mostly get confused in reason assertion based question. So I'm just discussing the question paper, trying at my level to solve your doubts, to clear your doubts. So now I'm just telling the answers of the questions on basis of my analysis. You may match your answers with this video. Question number 1, C. Question number 2, B. Question number 3, again B. Question number 4, that is C. Question number 5, that is A. Question number 6, that is B. Question number 7, C. Question number 8, D. Question number 9, again D. 10, B option is correct. 11, that is question number C. During colonial period, estimates of dash on national income and per capita income were considered very significant. VKRB Rao's study, yeah, estimates on national income, that was important. First Industrial Policy Resolution 1948. This is question number 10. Question number 12. Match the items from column A to B. Option A is correct. A will be matched with 4. B from with third, C from first one, and D from second one. Question number 13, answer is D. Question number 14, answer is A. Question number 15, answer is A. 16, that is C. Architect of Indian Economic Planning, that is PC Mahalanobis. 17, that is D. Horticulture is the business related to producing, storing, and distribution of food grains. D option is correct. 18, that is B. Stabilization of prices, that is the correct option. 19, that is A. There are two statements and we have to tell ki which one are correct. So both the statements are true. Concept of absolute poverty is used to identify number of poor people in India, that is correct. As well as increase in per capita gross domestic product help in eradication of poverty in nation, that is also correct. Question number 20, that is D. Statutory liquidity ratio implies to that percentage of dash net time and demand deposit liability of the commercial banks which must be kept with themselves in the form of liquid assets. Option D will be correct for question number 20. 21B, human capital is perfectly mobile. Question number 22, option A is correct. Both the statements are correct. The tax reduction in the economic reform period was aimed at yielding larger tax revenue and curb tax evasion. Statement 2, tax reduction negatively affected the development and welfare expenditure of government. So both the statements are correct. Question number 23, that is B, Maharashtra. Question number 24, that is A, preventive. Vaccination is the preventive medicine. Disease, before a disease we just take it, it prevents us from the disease. Question number 25 from section B I'm talking. Question number 25 from section B, option is D. Current account, identify the incorrect statement. All transfer receipts are recorded as debit side, that is the option D correct. Question number 26, if legal reserve ratio is 20%, initial deposit is 2000, value of money multiplier and total money creation will be, money multiplier will be 5, total money creation will be 2000 into 5, that is 10,000. Question number 27, assertion and reason based question. Post 1991, India has become the favorite outsourcing destination in the world. That is correct. Indian labor have a skilled labor force. That is also correct. So option A will be correct one here. Both assertion and reason are correct and explanation is also made correct. Question number 28 and option D is correct. In intervention of the government in most essential. Question number 29 assertion and reason based question. I'm especially discussing assertion and reason based question also. Assertion is here human capital formation is a flow concept. That is correct. Reason stock is that variable which measured at a given point of time. Second statement is also correct, but second statement is not explaining statement 1. So option B will be correct. Both A and R are correct, true, but reason is not correctly explained. Question number 30. D. They are usually landless workers and tenant cultivators. These are the urban poor. 31. Read the following statement, assertion and reason based question. The purpose of license policy was to promote regional equalities. That is correct. Reason is here the motive of licensing system was to monitor and control the industrial production. So reason is also correct, but explanation is not clear, not correct. So option B, 31 option B. 32, two statements are given. SHG have emerged to fill the gap in formal credit system. That is correct. Formal credit system in India is not only inadequate but also not fully integrated with rural social community development. That is also correct. Both the statements are correct. A option will be correct. 33 question number C. External loans to the commercial bank. Which of the following statements do not support with the function of RBI? Extended loan to the commercial bank. That C is correct. 33, that is C. 34, two statements are given. Both the statements are correct. Agricultural productivity was very low during the British rule. That is correct one. In absolute term, there was growth in agriculture sector due to expansion of aggregate area under the cultivation. That is also correct. So option A for 34 will be correct. 35 reason assertion based question. Reserve ratio and credit creation power of the commercial banks are directly related, inversely related, not directly. That is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Reason is here credit creation is the product of the reciprocal of the reserve ratio and primary deposit. Reason R is true, but assertion A is wrong. Option D. 35, option D. 36, value of export of merchandise that is given. Import of goods are 20% more than the export. That is 15,000, 1,500. Afterward, import of goods is 20% more than the export. Value of import and trade deficit we have to calculate. Option B will be correct. There is the formula. Doing this by applying this formula, we may do it very simply. 1800 and 300 means option B is correct for question number 36. Now 37. D. Import of James and Pauls from Britain. This is the false statement. Question number 38. Statement 1. Poverty line is the point of income distribution which divides the population of the country into rich and poor. Statement 2. The method of poverty line is used to measure relative poverty. This is question number 38. And here, both the statements are false. Both the statements are false. 39. Which of the following item include in the capital account of BOP of the country, that is foreign direct investment? Choose the correct alternative. Question number 39 I'm talking. 39, that is D. FDI is included in capital account of BOP. Question number 40. Assertion managed floating exchange rate system is an amalgamation of fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate. Assertion A is true correctly. Or central bank can manipulate the flexible exchange rate system. Reason is wrong. So assertion is true, reason is false. Option C will be correct for question number 40. Question number 41, both the statements are correct. Option A is correct. Question number 42, two statements are given. All the coins are issued by Finance Ministry of in India. Second, all the currencies notes are issued by Reserve Bank of India. All the currency notes are issued by Reserve Bank of India. Statement one is true, but two is false. All coins are issued by the government, finance ministry, it's okay. But all the notes are not issued by RBI. 1 rupee note is issued by government. So option C will be correct. Statement one is true, second is not. Question number 43. Assertion is here. Foreign exchange rate supports the comparison of international costs and prices. Assertion is correct. Reason, foreign exchange rate is the price of one currency in term of another commodities. It shouldn't be commodities, it should be currency. So reason is false. Option C is correct. Option C for 43. 44 now. Organization collect statistics on poverty in India and SSO, National Samples Survey Organization. Option B for 44 question. Now question number 45, assertion, rural development in India is a core element for overall development of the nation. That is exactly correct. More than two-thirds of India's population depends on agriculture. Reason is also correct and explanation is also made clearly. So option A will be correct for question number 45. Question number 46, which of the following statement is incorrect? Point C is here. Charity to foreign countries is recorded in capital account of BOP. That is wrong. Means our answer will be C for question number 46. Question number 47, that is a database question. You have to go through the value given in table, and on basis of that, 47. Now see which institutional agency has shown the maximum increase in the share of outstanding loans to the cultivator, that is cooperative banks. Option C. 48, assertion and reason. Economists emphasize on the need of expanding educational opportunities as it accelerates development process. That is correct. Educated people facilitate adoption of new technology and stimulates innovations. So assertion is correct as well as reason is also correct, and correctly explanation is made over there. So option is A, 48A.